dear students, in particular lecture, we will be only discussing about the steps for design of super elevation. This particular lecture is thoroughly dedicated for the designing of super elevation. Why? Because the designing of super elevation plays an important role whenever you are going towards becoming a transportation engineer or transportation designing engineer. So you must have to go through a particular designing steps, and you should have that thorough knowledge regarding the designing of super elevation. So the designing of super elevation is a part is a thing which is distributed among four important steps. The first steps is that the super elevation for 75 percentage of design speed is calculated, and here you will be neglecting the friction. So how it will be done? We have discussed in our previous lecture that the particular equation of super elevation is this: E plus F, sorry, it will be E plus F is equal to V square by GR. If you want to go for a practical consideration and mixed traffic condition, you need to take the F value is equal to 0 and V as 0.75 V instead of V. So E is equal to 0.75 V whole square divided by 127 R. If you calculate this particular equation, then you will get the total ultimate equation as E is equal to V square by 225 R. So here this is the first step, that the super elevation for 75 percentage of design speed is calculated and the value of friction is neglected. So this is the first step. Let me write down the particular equation which indicates this importance of particular step. So what we have learned till date, that for in first step the E will be E is equal to V square by 225 R, and here you will be neglecting the value of friction. Now IRC says that if the calculated value of E, if you calculate E with this equation, and if it comes below 0.07, means it is less than 7 percentage. Here we are talking about plain and rolling terrain standard condition. If the calculated value of E is less than 0.07, then it is true value. But if the value of E is greater than 0.07 or it exceeds 0.07, then you need to provide the maximum super elevation equal to 0.07. Means if you calculate the value of E and if it comes out at 0.08, which is greater than 0.07, though also you need to take the value of E as 0.07 only instead of the calculated exceeded value. So this is the second step of the designing of super elevation. Now the third step states that check the coefficient of friction developed for the maximum value of E is equal to 0.07 at the full value of design speed. Means here we will come back to our original equation, which is E plus F is equal to V square divided by GR. Here we will be taking E is equal to 0.07. We will keep subject as F. We will put the value of V whole square, G value and R value which will be given. And if you calculate the value of F, then the value of F must be less than 0.15. The calculated value of F must be calculated as less than 0.15. Means just as the value of E should not exceed 0.07, the value of F should not exceed 0.15. But in some cases, if the value calculated of F through this equation comes out as 0.16 or any value which is more than 0.15, in such cases you have to calculate another thing that is called as restricted speed. and it is also called as allowable speed, and it can be calculated as the restricted or allowable speed can be calculated as E plus F is equal to V square by GR, where you will be taking E as 0.07, you will take F as 0.15, you will not take the value of V which is given, you will keep it as subject, you will put the value of G as 9.81 and R as the given value, and after that you have to calculate the value of V, which will be denoted as VA, which is known as allowable speed. So this is how the particular operation of designing of super elevation takes place. Now let me brief you about the step. What you will do first, you will calculate the value of E by putting this equation. Then you will observe that the value of what is the obtaining value of E. If the value of E you are getting as 0.07, less than 0.07, then it is true. But if it is more than 0.07, then it is wrong. Then what you will do? You will do another calculation. You will put this equation E plus F is equal to V square by GR, in which you will put E as 0.07 directly. Instead of getting the value you have got from earliest calculation, you will put it as 0.07 plus F is equal to V square by GR. Here you will calculate the value of F. Now F should be less than 0.15. If it is less than 0.15, then it is okay. But if it is more than 0.15, if it is more than 0.15, then you also have to go through another calculation. What you will do? You will put this equation. You will put the value of E is equal to 0.07, F as 0.15 directly instead of what you have got from this calculation. You will not put the value of V which is given. You will keep it as V square. You will put 9.81 and R as given value of R, and you will calculate V. That V will be known as allowable or restricted speed. As it is known as it is called as allowable speed, you will be denoting that particular value as VA. This is how the designing of super elevation takes place. You need to go through all these particular steps, and you have to provide the value of E, the value of F, the value of R, and the value of V. This is known as designing of super elevation. Make sure that whenever you are designing a super elevation for mixed traffic condition, you have to take the value as 75% of the design speed. Means instead of V, you will be taking as 0.75 V. And after that, when you will calculate, you will get it as V square by 225 R. So this is how the calculation is done. First is super elevation for 75% of design speed. Second is F. If the value calculated E less than 0.07, then go with it. If it is more than 0.07, then provide the maximum super elevation equal to 0.07. Third step is check the coefficient of friction developed for the maximum value of E equal to 0.07 at the full value of design speed. Take E is equal to 0.07 and calculate the value of F. If the value of F is calculated as it comes out at the less than 0.15, then you have to provide the super elevation of 0.07, which is safe for the design speed. And if the value of F calculated is more than 0.15, if it exceeds 0.15, then you need to calculate the restricted speed. It is also called as allowable speed. The allowable speed will be denoted as VA, and the allowable speed can be calculated by the equation E plus F is equal to V square by GR, in which you will put the value of E as 0.07, F as 0.15, you will keep the value of G as 9.81, value of R will be given, you will put the same value, but you will not consider the given value of V, and you will calculate the value of VA, which is known as allowable or restricted speed. So this is how you can do the calculation of the designing of this particular steps of super elevation. I hope you have understood the concept thoroughly. Try to remember these steps. Thank you so much.